Chapter 12. Means of Communication. Let's talk. Hi Radhika, do you know which is one of the oldest, cheapest and most widely used system of communication? Yes Manu, the postal system is one of the oldest, cheapest and most widely used system of communication. Commit to learn. Postal communication. Electronic communication. Mass communication. Communicating without speaking. The act of sending and receiving of messages and information is called communication. In olden days, people communicated by beating drums and sending smoke signals. Later, pigeons were used to send and receive messages. Messengers were sent on foot or on horses to deliver messages, which took a long time. Soon faster means of communication were developed. Let us read about some common means of communication. Postman. Postal communication. The postal system is one of the oldest, cheapest and most widely used system of communication. Postcards, inland letters and letters in stamped envelopes are means of postal communication. Red letter box. All these are available at the post office. We need to write the address and area pin code of the person to whom we have to send the letter on the cover. By correct address, the letter reaches its destination. To send a letter to someone who lives outside India, we use an aerogram or an airmail. Urgent letters can be sent through speed post or courier. We can send short and urgent messages by telegram. It reaches in a few hours. Parcels and money can also be sent by post. An aerogram, an inland letter. Electronic communication. A telephone is the quickest and most convenient means of communication. We can speak to the person we want to, just by dialing the number sitting at any place. Telephone networks are spread all over the world. Telephone, mobile phone. Nowadays, mobile phones have become very popular. We can carry them wherever we go. An email is the fastest way of sending written messages and photographs. A computer is used to send an email. Computers all over the world are linked through the internet. Email, internet. Mass communication. When we communicate or broadcast a message to a large number of people at a time, then it is called mass communication. For example, newspapers, radio, television, magazine and internet. Radio is an audio means of mass communication. Television is an audiovisual means of mass communication. We can get information about anything in the world on the internet. Communicating without speaking. There are some people who cannot speak dumb or hear deaf. They communicate through sign language. Sign language consists of 26 hand symbols, one for each letter of the alphabet. They watch the lip movements of the other person and understand what the person is saying. Dance mudras. Dancers use various hand gestures, body movements and postures called mudras to express different things. Let's recall. The sending and receiving of messages and information is called communication. The postal system is one of the oldest, cheapest and most widely used system of communication. Telephone, mobile phone and email computer are the electronic means of communication. The fastest way to send written messages is by email. Newspapers, radio, television and internet are means of mass communication. People who cannot speak or hear communicate through sign language.